Hey everybody, today I'm really excited because I just received this horizontal storage shed for viewing purposes. It obviously comes with the installation manual and a pretty comprehensive kit of installation with all the pieces that we're gonna need to do it, which I think that it's great. The only tool that in case that we're gonna need, it's a little Phillips screwdriver, which I think that it's really nice, and it seems like a pretty simple installation. So let's go ahead and start installing it and let's see how it looks, okay?
The assembly process was surprisingly easy. You don't need any kind of engineering degree, you just need a screwdriver or an electrical one and some patience in the instruction manual. And here's a quick breakdown. First, you want to have all the panels all laid out for a easy identification of all the pieces, and then start snapping and screw the back panel together. It's just as a hexagonal kit that comes included, which I think that it's nice. And once that you have it ready, you're gonna attach it to the reinforced floor to keep all the heavy stuff stable. Then you're gonna place the side panels to make it secure, and lastly you have to assemble all the doors, make it ready so you can install them, and once that you have installed them, you're gonna just go ahead and place the top part. So this is it all assembled up, and as you can see, its horizontal style makes it perfect to accommodate whatever you need. It's super simple, it's quite clean, and I think that it's really versatile. And the capacity, it's no joke. 30 cubic feet, it's quite a lot, and I fit a couple of crates of firewood, a stove gas mine, a box with some painting gloves, some equipment, and some cooking stuff that I have it outside. And lastly, I placed a pair of chairs, making it really nice, and it all fit, and I still had plenty of space left. The horizontal design, it's really nice because you're not lifting heavy stuff overhead. You just need to open it, slide things in, and it's ready. The Resin Construction is basically an outdoor armor. Rain, snow, the sun, this thing just sits there unbothered, and the panels won't fade, they won't rub, and they won't get soggy with rain. Even the floor is reinforced so that your heavier gear, when you place it inside, won't sink in on it. And if you have kids, roommates, or just raccoons that are really clever, there's a lockable double door setup. You'll need your own padlock, but the latch, it's actually really solid. I also love the look. It's khaki but in a clean, modern way, and it can blend with your garden however you decorate it, and because of the color, the dirt won't really show up.
All the materials feels of a great quality, and overall I like it a lot and I will really recommend it. See you guys.